So sorry, I've been not making any video right now. Uh, things got, I mean, it's way too much. I thought I can do it quickly, but nope. So far, all I have done is oil filter change. I changed the winter tires are here now. The summer tires are on. Well, this wheel, I don't know if you won't be able to see, but it has a movement in there. It has a play. Well, this wheel has a play in it. See? So this one, I know you cannot see in the video, but this one has a play. It needs an inner tie rod, which I checked already. The other side, the wheel bearing and everything is okay. No movement, nothing. But yeah, there is a clunking noise coming from the sway bar link. So, which is another thing. And then the rear brakes were a piece of rust. This is what it looks better now, way better. I mean, it had a lot of rust on it. For a 2010 Focus, yeah, they always have a rust. So what I'm doing right now is I'm doing a complete rear brake service because the brake drums are okay. The shoes are also fine. So I'm just cleaning everything up so it doesn't, run with the dustpan and make the grinding noises. So that's what left, and then I can put the rear tires on and I should be able to leave. And also, let me show you one more thing. Okay. Blessing from my hands, if you want. This one also. So up here, if we see, you see a lot of rust, that's how they were. I can clearly see this flex pipe has been welded by something, which of course didn't work out. So, well, there's a leak. And yep, here it's fine. A little bit leak from the axle seal, but that should be okay. Ford, they're always meant to leak. So yeah, I'm gonna make it worthy enough, and let's see how much I can fix this car. It's like a project.
A few inches later.
So this is the next day, and yesterday, I don't know if I told you in the video, but so basically my left side rear spindle that holds the drum brake and also the wheel, the threads got fucked up because the aftermarket nut that was used before to hold it, it didn't came out straight. I don't know why, but it just decided to go on a war with me. So, well, can't do anything about it. I checked the brakes and all, and they were fine. I cleaned it. Well, so cut to all of that crap. Let's talk about what I am doing right now. So I just went to Scarborough, which is another like 30 minutes from my house. So I went there, talked to my friend over there, and we picked up the parts for this car. I got the left front inner tie rod, the right front sway bar link, and both the rear drums, because as you can see in the previous like the clip, that how badly rusted the rotors were, the drums were. So I got them new. It comes with the bearing and also the studs, so that's a good thing. So these all stuff I have new, and that's all I need to get the safety done. But since the left rear spindle is fucked up now, and the problem is that it's a 2010 car and I cannot find it anywhere. I checked with Ford, I checked with aftermarket, I checked sorry, my throat is still bad. I checked even on Amazon and Google, wherever the fuck I could find. I couldn't find it anywhere. There are some spindles, but I am not sure if that's gonna fit my car. So I don't want to spend my money on something that might not work. So which leads me to only one option. I know 3 junkyards in my like the places where I've been before, so I'm gonna go there on Saturday, and I'm gonna pull out some pieces from there. So I'll find a spindle. I already checked these 3 junkyards. In total they have at least 15 focuses, and I'm sure in 15 focuses I can find one single good spindle for my car. So that's the next plan. Well, I'm gonna make this video long. This video is gonna go for, I mean by long I mean like it's gonna go for a lot of days. It's you already saw the previous day, and then it's another day that I'm recording. And then again on Saturday I'm gonna go to junkyard, but before that I'm gonna still change all the parts that I got. I will so tomorrow when I go to work I will change the tie rod, the sway bar, and the drum brakes on the right side. So day 3, and I mean to be honest the day is almost ending, and yeah, I was working. I'll just show you what I'm doing right now. It's already like the lights are all turned off, so let me just turn the flash on. Okay, so oh, it's a complete mess over here. Well, right now I'm trying to change the inner tie rod. Somehow the nut over there is stuck pretty badly. It's not coming off. I'm gonna see tomorrow. Also, I changed the sway bar link on this side. Which, I mean you can't really see. Wait. Yeah. Here, the new one in the back. Also, I changed the bearings, the drum, everything. So you can see it's a new drum. I have for the other side also, but I'm not gonna be doing it right now because as I already told you, I fucked up the spindle. So I have to go to the junkyard, pull out a spindle from there, and then I can change the this drum. The new one is right over here. Yep, there's the new one. So I tried for the last 45 minutes just to open that tie rod, inner tie rod, but it didn't work. So tomorrow I'm gonna take help from my friends and take it out, change it, do an alignment on the car. So see you tomorrow then.
2,000 years later.
So I have entered the junkyard, which is Kenny you pull, and this location is New Market. Picked up already 2 tires for my Elantra.
This is a playground for you.
Yeah. So there are a couple of Ford Focuses over here. I'm gonna go ahead and find out which cars are there, and let's see what I can find. So today I'm gonna be picking up the part from here, hopefully, and then I will take it back to my shop. Over there I will replace it, and everything works fine, so I will get the safety done today, and then I can drive the car on road finally. Today my brother is also learning how to open cars. So far I was lucky enough. This is not as rusted as I thought, and there is the piece which came out very clean, and the threads are also good. So yeah, I'm gonna open this now. Picked out the seat. Why not? Jameen pe kyun letu main? Why should I lie down on this mud? Well, first things first, I removed the ABS sensor from here. It's like a 8mm bolt right behind here. It's hard to reach, and plus the car is given the fact that the car is actually sitting on just the rims. So going underneath the car is a bit sketchy, but yeah, I have to do it anyways. So now 4 bolts, 13mm 4 bolts. These 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 I need to remove now. So I'm gonna do this now. Meanwhile, my brother opened that door to see the speaker. It's not the same, it's a lower variant speaker. So I sent my brother to another Focus, which is right over there. This Focus is a high variant, SES variant. So my brother is opening speaker here right now. Oh, this is quite banged up. Whoop. Okay, got it. Found it. The spindle. Okay. Okay. Time's up. We got everything. I'm all dirty,
32.
but
Now I know how to open car doors.
he has done that blood, sweat, and tears thing. So we got the spindle. Here it is. We got everything. We got the speaker also. Hopefully that works. There's no way to find out. So I'm back in my car again. It started raining, as you can see here. It costed me around 130 something for 2 tires and a spindle and a speaker.
It just started to rain.
Yeah. So I've got everything. Now I'm heading to my workplace and I'm gonna change it over there, and let's see how it goes. Sorry, I'm back at my workplace, but just because I had less time, so I did everything quickly and I had nowhere to put my phone, so I didn't record it much. But I'll give you the progress update. That's the new spindle and that's the new rotor. So well, left side is done. Gotta go for the right side now. And also I put the new sway bar link in there. Okay, let's do it quickly. Here's the update. This is the old, you can see how the threads are. It's been stripped. So the bolt was not getting tight on it. This is the old drum. As you can see how bad it is. Fully rusty. So this is, these two things have been changed. Now it has a new drum in the back with a new not a new spindle, but I refurbished it. And also on this side. Now I'm gonna do alignment on the car. As you can see, she's driving good. Just a tire light, but that's okay. Who cares about that? I forgot I have a manual car now. So I was just doing a like a highway test, and it's driving fine. So I'm gonna go back home now, eat something, take my parents with me, you know, because since I bought this car, they have never been in this car. I'll take them for a small drive, and then head back home.